Itami. It's an airport coffee thing. So let it sink in a little. So this water, so this is hot water. So I'm so this coffee is from um in Japan. Like a lot of these hotels, they have these coffee stuff. So we brought some back home. So yeah, and I'm trying to learn how to do this coffee thing. It's pretty cool. I have to get going soon though. Yeah, I have to hang out with a friend soon. So after I quickly do this, I'm gonna get ready and gotta get going. So this is just gonna be like a quick thing to do. I have my food right here, so I woke up late. Woke up at like 10 something. Just one second. Smells good. So this is a coffee thing. So use the directions on how to do it. Lift, pour. I never made coffee, so trying to learn how to do it. For the first time, it kind of takes a little longer because I don't know how to make it, so I'm learning it. So yeah, it's pretty cool.